That's really rather a lovely thing. It's a ball made out of flat bits of paper. And it's not only lovely, it's interesting because it's a bit like a Chinese puzzle. It's all stuck together but without any glue. And it's made of 3 separate pieces, in this case red, yellow and blue. So here's the puzzle. How would you get it apart without tearing it? And there's another puzzle that explains that. How do you put it together in the first place? In fact, how do you make it? Well, here's how you do it. It's actually made up of these 3 things. A disc of red, a disc of yellow, a disc of blue. You can use any colours, but those look good to me. And each one is the same size. And here's how you make each one. You get your compasses and a ruler, and I work on a diameter of 12, which means a radius of 6. I put the point at 6 there, the point of the pencil, use a pencil, not a pen, because you can rub out the guiding lines. Put that on 0, and that'll give me a radius of 6, and I draw that in the middle of this stiffish paper. There we go, a big circle all the way around there. Then you need another circle exactly half the size inside it. So once more back to the ruler, the point on 3, the other point on 0, that gives me a radius of 3, and you'll see that our second circle is half the size of the first. Well, I've done that to save time, and it's there. Remember, yours is pencil, you can rub out the guiding lines afterwards, but there are 2 more guiding lines you'll need. Both of them going through the centre, and both of them the arms of a cross that has a right angle in the middle. Here we go, 1 arm and 2 arm. And that is what you do for each of those 3 circles. But from now on, you treat them differently. You cut out different parts of the cross. Have a look closely at this. On one of them, you cut out the cross in the middle. And the second one, you cut out the parts of the cross on the outside. And in the third one, you cut out the horizontal part of the cross in the middle and the vertical parts of the cross on the outside. There it is again. One has the cross on the inside circle, one has the parts of the cross on the outside, and the other is a mixture. And if you do that and rub out your guidelines, here you are. You have cross in the middle, cross on the outside, and the mixture there. And how you put them together is really a matter of delicate folding. Don't crease it, just fold it. You take the cross on the outside and fold 2 of the quarters together like that. And you'll notice that when it's like that, it can go through the slit in the middle of the mixture, like this. And once it's gone through, you can open it up on the other side, and you've got 2/3 of the ball like that. And this has a slit running around there, so in fact we can put that, by similar folding, into, here's the cross on the end of it, put it into the cross in the red card. And you do it like this, folding these 4 pieces down. Yellow, blue, yellow, blue. Poke all that through the red one, you can see it coming up there, and as it gets down to that slit in the blue and the yellow, you can open those pieces out again. And if you didn't crease them, if you just folded them without creasing them, you'll be able to flatten them out, and they shouldn't really show that they've been doctored at all. And there it is, with a bit of bending, the sort of thing we started with. And that's the finished article. And if you really want to make it look zappy, colour in the ghost of the central circle black. It'll look like a planet or an atom. It'll certainly be a good puzzle. There you are. How do you take it apart? How do you put it together? And I suppose the third puzzle, can you remember how to do it?